Hello, everyone. Peace, much love. And today I'm going to talk about tips and tricks to stocking your pantry while on ODSP. Now, yes, you have a lower income, those of us that are on ODSP, and you may be thinking, I can't do what most people these days will do and go spend $100, $200 and stock my pantry on top of the groceries. Not a ton of people actually do that though. But like what I've done, and I've learned that stocking my pantry is not as hard as it may seem. When I go grocery shopping, I make a list, and I make that in that list at least 5 pantry items a month. And I look and go, okay, soup is on sale for 50 cents a can. I'm going to get 4 of each of the brands that I use, like 4 chicken noodle, 4 vegetable, 4 cream of mushroom, 4 chicken noodle, 4 cream of mushroom, 4 tomato, 4 vegetable. And those are the 4 that I know of. And then I go, okay, I have a little bit of extra money, so I brought the 4 cream of mushroom, which I use for sauces and stuff, to 10 cream of mushroom. And when you do that, you can also go, okay, now when I use one, I can go and get one to restock that. And you can as well, the next month, you can say, well, I stocked up on soup. I'm starting to run low on spices, or I'd like to get these certain spices. So make a list of 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, depending on how much you can afford. And even if it's one or 2, and get those spices. And don't be afraid to go to the dollar store to stock up on some pantry items. They have really good deals for some things, food items and such. And if you go to the dollar store for some things, then you can get certain things at the dollar store cheaper, and then you have more money to spend on stocking up your pantry. You can take 3 or 4 or 5 months to stock your pantry. Long as you have the food in the cupboards, which is your main concern, so that you have breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. And snacks, if you eat snacks or need snacks. So, and don't be ashamed to take advantage of things like food banks, because those are items that you can stock up some of your pantry with, as well as have meal items that, by getting it at the food banks and taking advantage of that, you don't have to buy those items. Therefore, you have that money to put towards other pantry items or meal items or what have you that you need. So don't be ashamed to go to the food banks, or take advantage of once in a while, not on a monthly basis, but once in a while, going to places like here in Hamilton. I've got a food voucher from St. Vincent de Paul, and that helped me stock up on a bunch of things that I needed and get through And that you can do once in a while. And there's other things that you can do. And like here in Hamilton, I know other places in Canada, you may not be able to, Ontario, Canada, you may not be able to go and take and go to more than one food bank in a month. But here in Hamilton, for those of you that are watching my videos that live in Hamilton and other places that may have this, take advantage when you can go. Like I can go to the Good Shepherd, I can go to Neighbor because I live up on the mountain. I can go to the inn, Welcome Inn. I can go to St. Matthew's House, Salvation Army. And those are just 5 of the ones that I can go to every month. Some of them are every 30 days. A few of them are once. You can go once in June, once in July, once every month, once every calendar month. So I could go on May 31st to Salvation Army and say that was a Thursday, and then I could go the next day, June 1st, to the Salvation Army and get more food. Because you can go once in a calendar month. So if you go on the last day of the calendar month, you can go on the first day of the calendar month as well. So yeah, find out about those things. Find out about meal programs. Like there's the Good Shepherd that does meals. There's a church that does Monday dinners from 6 to 7 here in Hamilton. There are all sorts of things like that by taking advantage of those, you can use some of that money that you would have used for that to stock up your pantry. And then when you stock up your pantry, remember, once it's stocked, you're starting to run low on that spice or that, put that in your list and get some more the next month or the next time you go shopping. Make it a point to restock that. And then you don't have to spend as much. The people that are spending a lot of money to stock their pantry is when their pantry is completely empty. And you can take your time stocking it. Because most pantry items are items that you don't use on a day-to-day basis. And like I said, don't be ashamed to take advantage of meal programs, of taking advantage of food banks and stuff like that, because it will really help you. Don't be ashamed to accept the help that you need. I've had to learn to humble myself and not be ashamed of it. I will continue to make more videos. Please let me know other things you want to know about ODSP. And if I can't answer you, I will see if I can find out the answer or try and point you in the right direction. So, bye for now. Peace out. Much love. Take care and have a blessed day. And please, if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe, and click the bell so that you get notified of when I make a new video. And I'm now going to be on a schedule where every Monday or Tuesday, usually Tuesdays, you will get a new video from me. So, like I said, bye for now. Much love. Peace out. Bye-bye.